guys, as you can see, today is a very windy and snowy day. Experienced a lot of snow. I don't know, maybe you can hear how windy it is out here. Let me bring this drone down a little bit. So I'm gonna do a stability test. And you see kind of how it does. It's very, very windy. Bring it up a little bit. From my experience with this Vivitar Aeroview is that it is a very stable drone that I've never really tried it under such conditions. So you can see it's fighting the wind. The wind is blowing towards the camera right now. So as you can see, it's slanted, it adjusts its rudder and adjusts itself. Wow. Yep, it's fighting the wind. It will not allow the wind to take it down. You see the wind is coming from the direction of the red rudder. Yep, the red propeller, and it's moving towards the green light. So it's really forcing itself to stay in the same position. All it does is it goes up and down horizontally. I haven't actually seen it move back or forward yet. So it is a very stable drone. Yep. This thing is powerful. Let me see. Let me try and go up and see how it behaves. Yeah, let me try a simple stunt and see how it works under such conditions. Oh yeah, there you go. It's windy, but it still does a very technical stunt like that one. It still performs it right. So I think I'll give it for stability. Close to a 9.5 on 10. Yeah. Let's see what it does. Despite the wind, I can still do this stunt. Get right close to the ground, take off, move backward. Move backward. Oh, it got stuck on my Christmas light right here. Okay, guys, you've seen. It's a very stable drone, no matter the fact that it got stuck on my Christmas light. But yeah, I hope it didn't damage it. But okay, thank you guys. Like, comment,